Welcome, scalpers. Rhys Cadaval here.
Order submitted.
Signal just happening right here, and I'm missing it.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in. Looking for some trades to take today. This is the day before Independence Day. This is the 5-minute NQ. This is a ATM I'm using that it only works if the market goes really quick in your favor. It'll get
Stop filled.
your stop in really quickly.
Order filled.
But be prepared to get stopped out a lot if you use this ATM. See how fast it moves my stop up in.
Stop filled.
Alright, see it'll get you some quick scalps, but it will also get you stopped out quickly as well. So up 184 bucks right now. So we just started. This was a backdoor trade using the backdoor signal right here. We have an ultimate AI signal here, a backdoor signal. Here's the same NQ 5-minute on a different chart that has blue line here, which acts like a support resistance line. Pretty good. So we're bumping up against that now. Okay, we have a red ultimate AI sell arrow that will mean something when it breaks through the bottom here. We also have a backdoor signal there. So I'll just be ready in case it happens.
Order filled.
Okay, I did get filled, and now I'll manually move my stop instead of the ATM. I like to manually move it. And this is 3 contracts on the 5-minute NQ. Right now I'll just lock in my position. So the signal is breakout with these.
Stop filled.
Okay, we stopped out. And here's the profits for today so far on those 2 trades. So we had a nice down move. We had the ultimate AI large arrow, which is an entry if it breaks through the previous low. We also had the smaller arrow. That means the same thing. They don't always happen at the same time, but this time it did, which is very nice. We also had this backdoor horizontal line, and if we break through that, that's an entry. So lots of signals here for this nice down move. Up 532 today with 3 contracts traded on the 5-minute NQ so far. Now if I switch to the 1-minute, we had the same signals, and then we have a buy right here if we broke out of this high, which we did right here. We also have a backdoor right here, and also 2 other small arrows, which would have been entering at the same point here for a nice move on the 1-minute. Of course, I'm not in any of that right now. And some news just broke for this big down move.
Order submitted.
Trying to catch this backdoor. Too late.
Order canceled.
I can't chase it now, but this backdoor tried to get in too late and just shot up. Pretty big move here on this backdoor that I missed. Sometimes it's worth chasing, sometimes it's not. I'd rather just play it safe and let this one go and try to wait for another trade. But the backdoor worked very nice right here. Alright, we did have that huge candle, huge move up. I do have a signal here. I can't do anything with it unless price breaks through the bottom, which it may.
Order submitted.
So since this candle was so large, this showing up here, it's only gonna mean something if it breaks through the bottom, and that's very highly unlikely with the size of this candle. So I'm not gonna pay much attention to this unless this candle breaks the bottom, which it very well may. Now, since we had this high here with a pullback, and now I have a backdoor buy signal right
Order
here,
submitted.
I will place a buy right here on the backdoor. This signal never got triggered, so it doesn't really mean anything anymore to me unless it breaks through the bottom here. But we do have a nice up move with a pullback, and I do have a backdoor right here that may very well get filled, and I want to be ready for that. Also, price is consolidating into a triangle, so it may very well break through the bottom here, and here would be my entry. Okay, it did break through here. My order did get filled. All right, now I'm locking in.
Stop filled.
Crazy price action. It's just moving really erratically, so I just took a little bit. 564. I'm gonna take this long again.
Order filled. Stop
Keeping
filled.
it really tight because of the erratic movement. And now, of course, it takes off. Yeah, this is crazy erratic movement here. But the back door did work here. Let's see, 717. So far, you've seen everything I've done this morning. Okay, now it wants to move really nicely higher. It was really erratic when I was in the trade. Better safe than sorry. Turned out to be very nice. Switching over to the 1 minute, it's having a move with some signals here that have worked. I'm too late to get in on those, but a very nice move. I'll go back to the 5 minute, see if it's going to happen there. And it did happen here already too. Nice move on the 5 minute, and I missed that too. Changing my ATM here.
Order canceled.
I do have a signal I'm
Order filled.
taking. We are 5 minute NQ. We took a break for a while. Market made some nice moves while I was out. Now I'm back and have a nice ultimate AI signal. Doubled up with a backdoor. So let's see if we can make any money with this signal here. Doesn't look great. I'm going to still stay in this trade. It did make a break here into positive territory, but it's been pretty negative most of the time I'm holding it. So if this candle doesn't really do anything here, I'm probably going to get out soon. Don't want to lock in too soon because I don't want to get stopped out with barely anything. But of course, I don't want to lose any money either. Alright, it's time to start getting out of this trade. If it goes, it goes. If not, I'll just get stopped out and look for something better.
Stop filled.
Alright, at least I didn't lose on this. It did make me a little bit. So, 877 so far. We'll look for something better. And I want to get at least $1,000 here with 3 contracts using low amount of contracts since most people aren't trading 10. Overall, it was a good signal. Breakout here, backdoor, breakout of the previous with these arrows, breakout of the signal candle as well. Also, all produced a profit here.
Order submitted.
We do have a very strong uptrend happening today, so I would like to get a long position going. I can do that on this backdoor signal here. If it gets filled, it may have some more downside to go. Maybe a bounce off of this blue line or any of these lines here. Okay, the slingshot didn't go
Order
for
filled.
much. And now I'm filled on the back door. Hopefully it continues up with this nice up move we have. Hardest part about the NQ is it just goes up and down and it's very erratic. Sometimes I just want to get the profit and get out.
Stop filled.
All right. There you have it. Over $1,000, 3 contracts today. You've seen everything I've done today. This probably has some more upside, but hope you enjoyed the video and enjoy the 4th of July and the holiday weekend. And we have a super sale going on, 50% off. You can get both of these together. Shoot me a text message if you have any questions.